Ako po si Felix Moraudia, DTF operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinsons ng Balikes. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 91 meters kaming nairan as of this week. Ito po ang printer head. Capping. Working pa naman ito na 80%. Last na napalitan yung hits nito October 2023 pa po. Head clean tayo. Punas wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama lang. With ink tank na linis ng Friday. Ground wire. Ito po ang used ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Weekly inventory. Nagamit sa cleaning solution. Magenta. Powder. Sa black. Cyan. 30 cm film. White ink. Yellow. Weekly consumption. Workload. Daily checklist. Maraming salamat po.